Hi, today we'll see some important functions which can be used to handle strings. The first function is odd. Odd is a function, so it is called directly without using an object, and we have to pass a character in its parameter. Odd function will return the Unicode code points for the character. Basically, it will return the ASCII value corresponding to that character. Let's see an example. We'll create a new folder, 6 functions in 5str, creating a new file, a.py. We don't need a string to call this function, so we directly call odd and can pass the string in its parameter. So odd m, and we will print this, print. Note that we can only pass a single character in the parameter. Okay, so let's run. To be noted, we are getting 109 for lowercase m. Okay, now next function is char. This is opposite of odd. In this we have to pass an integer value and we will get the character corresponding to that value. Okay, so new example, b.py, print char of 109. We have to pass an integer value inside it. Okay, in a.py the value we were getting was 109 corresponding to lowercase m. Okay, this, so the char value corresponding to 109 should be lowercase m. Okay, so let's see p.py. Okay, we are getting the lowercase m. Okay, now we'll make a new example, c.py. We'll make a string, let's say s equal to hello world, and print. Okay, so the next function is sorted. Okay, so we'll write sorted of s. Okay, this function returns a new sorted list from the items in iterable. So here we will get the sorted elements arranged in a list. Okay, we'll get the output in a form of list. So let's see, c.py. This is a list. Okay, now what if we want the string instead of list? Can you name the method which can help us do so? We have studied about this method in the last lecture. So the method is join. Okay, let's see how we can achieve this. We'll use the delimiter as empty string and our iterable is the list. So new example, d.py. Let the string be s equal to hello. First we'll sort the list, sorted as, and we'll hold it in a variable x, and then print empty string dot join, and we will join x. Okay, so now running d.py. Okay, so this is our new string arranged in its sorted order. Okay, the next function is reversed. This function will reverse our string. Okay, so let's see, e.py. Let the string be s equal to hello world and print reversed s. Running e.py. So here we are getting the reverse object. Okay, so let's see how we can print the reverse string. Firstly, we'll hold the reverse object in a variable, and then we'll use join method again. So empty string dot join x, and we'll print this. Print empty string dot join x. Okay, now let's see e dot py. Okay, so we are getting the reversed string. Okay, we can also use for loop for printing. For I in x, print I. Okay, we'll see how to use the for loop in the further lectures. So let's see if this works or not. Running e.py. Okay, we are getting the reverse string, but notice that each character of reverse string is printed in a new line. Okay, this is because by default print adds a new line in the given string. Okay, to avoid this, we have a keyword argument in the print function. This keyword argument is AND, AND. Okay, we have to give the value by which we want to end the print statement. In this case, we want our characters to print without any space, so we will pass empty string. Okay, so let's see e.py. Okay, so we are getting the reverse string in a single line. Okay, all the methods which we saw today are used very often, and these are very important. Okay, so practice these methods more so that you can understand the concept. And that's it for today. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.